So they said, I think the biggest challenges that we are going to face that have a huge ripple effect on things like,
I think the biggest challenges that we're going to face that have a huge ripple effect on things like climate change. I think the biggest challenges that we're going to face that have a huge ripple effect on things like climate change.
so what does a ripple effect mean?
Yep. Okay. So if have you ever taken like a pebble or a stone and thrown it in a body of water, stream,
Yes.
river, and you know how it lands and then it forms these like circles that go out? Those are called ripples.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So a ripple effect is that, yes, your stone went in and it landed right here, but it affected the water other ways
Mm.
around. And so in this regard, it's like there there are ongoing results
Mhm.
or effects of certain decisions and things that you make. So you feel like, okay, this just affects one thing, but in reality, it ripples out and this affects this, affects this, affects this.
Oh, okay. It's like a similar to domino effects or
Yo, that's a great one.
oh,
Yep.
really?
Yeah, that would be a great one.
Okay.
Very, very similar how one thing affects another affects another.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yeah.